Hi everyone! Welcome to our training video for our warehouse team. And this is our training checklist for warehouse. Okay, so these six are the top entities that you'll be working on as part of warehouse team. So we have your delivery receipt, gate pass, inventory adjustment, warehouse, product inventory, and requisition slips. And along with that is we gonna train you on how to create, how to find, and how to work on these entities. And for some, we also need to know how to add or remove products on the table or on the grid. Okay, so let's get it started with the definition of terms. So first is delivery receipt. So delivery receipt, it's a way to record an item when it arrives. Okay. Number two is for the gate pass. So for the gate pass, it's a feature that allows you to transfer inventory from a source warehouse to a destination warehouse. Third is inventory adjustment. It's a feature that lets you manually add or subtract inventory from your warehouse. Number six is warehouse. Of course, it's any company location that holds your inventory. Okay. Next is the requisition slip. It's a record of items needed to complete the project or task. So example, new project requirement or repair for a part. So we got it covered on the requisition slip. And then product inventory, it's a record of inventory at each warehouse based on the RS, requisition slip, PO, purchase order, returns, adjustments, and gate pass. Okay. We also have the different product status. We have our product status that's default on the system. So number one is quantity available. So when we say quantity available or when you see quantity available, that means that's how many units remain to be used. Okay. Number two, quantity allocated. So it's how many units are currently listed on requisition slips as allocated RS product. Because remember, on my past training video with our purchasing, so when you create your requisition slip, then you need to add a requisition slip product. So from there, you can already have a forecasting of an upcoming or an additional inventory as soon as you create an RS. Three is quantity on hand. It's just a sum of number 1 and 2. So the quantity available and allocated. And lastly is the quantity on order. So you'll see how many units are currently listed on the purchase order but haven't received and added to inventory. So here on our solution, you'll be able to have a traction or to oversee what we have, what we requested, what we ordered, and then the upcoming. Alright? So remember this and you'll be good. Okay? Okay, so now let's see how we can create a new record. So everyone will start in the creation of a requisition slip, right? But here, since we are discussing warehouse, I'll just have an overview again. So this is your sitemap. Let's have a review. This is your navigation bar, and this is your application ribbon. So these are the entities for warehouse, or you can just click on warehouse on the area, or just PWC general and make sure you are on the warehouse section. Okay, so for the delivery receipt, okay, so for the delivery receipt, you need to search for the PO first and update it because our process is, so you need to check on, so when you receive the item, you need to go to PO first and search for that PO. Okay. You will not create a new delivery receipt because it should be coming from an RS and PO first. Okay, so let me pull up an example. So for the PO, I'll just make, hold on, something here. I'll just set this at active. So here, as you can see here, for the purchase order, the last touch of our purchasing team is order. So for you, let's say you receive it already. We received this PO delivered today. You just need to click on next stage and create. That's how you will create a delivery receipt. And then I suggest, so you search the PO first. I hope on the form from the vendor or from the delivery, you'll have the PO. But just in case there's no PO number, you can just search it manually here, straight from the purchase order. Okay, so once done, update it. It's the project name. The delivery receipt number, that's auto-populated. The requisition slip, this is related to, so let's say this one. The delivery date, today, delivered by, just complete it. Okay, and then we'll put save. And once it's saved, don't forget to update this. You need to add the products that you received. Okay, so the product, quantity, unit cost, it's alright. You can leave it as blank. But if you have it, then why not complete it? And you can also already associate it to the right warehouse. And save and close. Then save and close. And you're good. That's how you will update your delivery receipt. It's coming from, you need to be on the PO, purchase order entity. Search for the right PO and then move the next stage to update and you're good. Okay? So for product inventory, here we have the on hand, allocated, available, on order, allocated, available, and on hand. So before we begin our go live, we need to have a bulk import or data migration. But just in case none, you need to do it manually, then you just need to complete the ones with the asterisk. So just in case you're unable to find the product, you just need to go out and click on product and then just add product. And then once you're done, you can just go back and then search for that product. Let's say it's the cement. The warehouse, it is main. How many? 5. Oh, sorry, I missed out the unit. Sorry. So unit, just select primary unit. So this one, quantity in order, it's still blank. Shouldn't. And then we just add it. Okay. Gate pass. Gate pass, usually it's a part of the job request process. So it will be flagged that there's a gate pass, or you can just check all the gate pass that will be created. Alright, or if you want to create one, just click new and complete this, the information. So source warehouse, main, and then let's check for the required ones. Save it. Once you're good, then please make sure to add the product so we can have inventory adjustment. So new, just select it. Is it? So there's none yet. Change the view. So we'll have active products so you can see it all. The unit, again, please select. We'll change the view again. So here, we'll just select primary. Let's say it's 2. Okay. So here, if you encountered an error, don't worry, okay? you need to read it, okay? Because system will give you warnings and flag you what's wrong, what you did. Meaning, more on, if you say business process error, this is more on a user error wherein we miss out something. So it's showing here the product inventory record for product genset test unit, primary unit, and warehouse main is missing. So it's showing here that we don't have this genset on this specific warehouse. So since we're just doing testing, we will encounter this, but later on we will not anymore encounter this. Okay, so I'll just close it for now, but this is how you're gonna complete it. Okay, all right. So don't worry if there is like specific errors that you encounter. It's all right. And make sure if you see this table, please don't forget to complete it. Then approve by, verified by, release, and then that's it. Save and close. That's how you will complete a gate pass. So warehouses, you can instantly complete it. Your warehouse, we can manually edit. It's just simple information. But again, if you need more information about warehouse that you need to reflect on our solution, then please let us know. Then inventory adjustments, if you want to have a manual transfer or update, so you have the adjustment time, resource, what are the product that you need to adjust. So we're good. And inventory adjustment products. So that's it for our warehouse team. Delivery receipt product, gate pass, warehouse inventory adjustment product. So it's a very, very simple, okay, and very easy to use. So earlier we encountered an error. You just need to refresh it. Sometimes it's just the internet. It's not synced, so it's alright. That's no worries at all. Okay, so I hope we were able to cover these checklists, and you will start working on this starting today after you watch a training video. Okay, so see you on our next update meetings and training videos. Take care. Goodbye for now.